So in today's video, I'm going to dive into Boom 1000 Index NEBOOM, which is the current price action market analysis you need to have this 2025. So let's dive in now. So welcome back to another session from Boom and Crash Forex Club. I am sorry to announce to you that for the sake of privacy and also partnership reasons, we are now completing and having a new excited name for ourselves, which is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01. We also have Spike Detector 01, which is our TikTok handle. You can check the link in the description of this video. So let's dive in now. If you have any form of partnership or some form of advertisement reasons, kindly contact our admin, link in the description of this video, or you should contact us directly on YouTube or WhatsApp or even Telegram completely. So let's dive in now. So in today's session, we're going to talk about the current price action view of Boom 1000 Index. Then we're going to talk about technical analysis for 50k pips. What are the major confluences that we need to confile together, analyze together, so that we can be able to have at least 1000 pips intact, 50,000 pips intact, catching spike, trading the Boom 1000 Index. Also, on the bonus tip, I'm going to give you best time frame to have focus on while catching spike, trading the Boom 1000 Index. And let's dive in now. Start. You can see this is Boom 1000 Index. You can see this is Boom 1000 Index. Before I even talk about Boom 1000 Index, I have a running trade on C500. You can see this is a nice entry we get from our last previous strategy. For those that want to have the strategy, kindly go and watch the video. It's the free strategy I released last month. Let me show you now. This is the video for that particular strategy. You see, this is the video for that particular strategy. If you are able to understand what this video is, you should be able to make good money catching spike, trading the Boom 1000 Index. So I strongly recommend you go and watch this Boom and Crash spike catching strategy that caught spikes daily. So let's dive in now. So after understanding the main concept behind the strategy, I was able to have a single trade running even from the 15-minute time frame. That's why I got my entry confirmation here using the 0.05 lot size. You can see this is where I got my confirmed entry. This is where I took my trade. And mind you, now this trade is running in a very good profit that I don't want to even close. And looking at the main market structure, market has a tendency room to move up to this level downwards, catching spike with Crash 500 Index. You can see this is a simple pattern. Market is already in a downtrend mode. Market continue to break below structure, go back and retest the structure for the first time, break down into this again, then retest the structure for the second time. So we are looking for any reversal market condition that will push this market downwards into its previous condition, which is around 2040.8 price level, which is the current market. Let me even set it at TP, which is the current market condition I'm expecting for this market. You can see, let's leave it like this. So you can see this is the TP and your stop loss can be somewhere around here above this major structure. So that's just it. So that is for Crash 500. So let's move to the Boom 1000. So as of last week, before this week started, because you can see we started a new week yesterday, you see market trading downward. So before the end of the week, I was looking at daily chart. Market has started creating a more of a range here. After a long trend downwards, market started to accumulate. So I'm waiting for price to continue, like the way price continue to break below this low. That's to tell you that this market continue to dig in the downtrend momentum. So Boom 1000 is technically and fundamentally bearish. Boom 1000 is technically and fundamentally bearish. I repeat this statement. Boom 1000 is fundamentally and technically bearish currently at the moment while recording this video. Let me even check today's date of June 2025, Sunday. Boom 1000 is fundamentally and technically bearish in market structure. That is what I want you to understand. I will still share some nice market chart analysis with you in the description of this video. If you join our Telegram channel, even in my VFC group, I will still share with you. But currently, Boom 1000 is technically bearish, so we are going to take advantage of Boom 1000 so that I can be able to see if we can be able to grab this market downwards to the next level. So since the market continue this downtrend, I'm waiting for this market to come back and retest this particular zone that it was broken. If they give me some form of nice price action rejection, then I'm going to sell this market downwards to the next previous support level. But if this market passes, come back into the range and continue trading within the range, if price was able to break above this particular 15529.20 price level, which I'm anticipating that price has finished accumulation and is trying to distribute, or price is trying to expand this market upward in such a way that we are going to have a very nice movement from the market. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01, a special club that is designed for all boom and crash traders so that they can be able to meet together, learn together, and make sure they excite every momentum. With this Boom and Crash Forex Club was sponsored and created by Sosa FX.store, which is our official partner. Link in the description of this video. So that is what I want you to understand. You never have a problem trading with Boom and Crash, and then the only problem you have is identifying the main market structure, what the market structure is telling you, what the current price action is telling you. How are you going to capitalize on this price action? What are the main major moves that you need to have from this price action? Before you know, you are very, very good to go, and you'll surely make every profit you want to make catching spike trading the Boom 1000 index. And you can even get up to 50,000 pips catching spike trading the Boom 1000, because look at this one now. This is 0.05 lot size, but I'm still currently having over almost 1,000 pips catching spike trading the Boom and Crash market. You see, this is for Crash 500, and also we have for Boom 1000. So for Boom 1000, as I repeat to you, you only need to look for sell opportunity right now. I'm looking for a price to come back into this range, tap into it. Let me have any form of price action compound. You see, look at it. You see, market is rejecting here. So if price come back into this range, give me any form of rejection and also bearish price action confirmations, my brother, I'm going to take my trade downwards, because I know that is where the major direction of the trend is, and that is what I will be able to get from this market. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01, and nice to have you now. I'm going to give you the next on our list, which is what is the technical analysis for 50k pips. So now, as I told you, the simple understanding you need to have is that if you are targeting for 50k pips, just target for 5,000 pips. If you target for 5,000 pips, it's very, very simple and easy for you to understand the market structure. And how are you going to target 5,000 pips? I have a very nice video that will show you how to unlock Boom 1000 index 5,000 pips. Let me show you the video that will explain everything for you about how you can be able to get 5,000 pips catching spike with Boom 1000 index, and you are able to have 5,000 pips. Just calculate it in form of ROI, multiply the risk, and the reward will increase. Multiply the risk and the reward will increase. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01, and nice to have you now. For the bonus tip, best time frame to have focus on Boom on. Please, I want you to understand, if you are trading the Boom 1000, if you are a scalper, you scalp the market, always focus on the lower time frames ranging from 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes. Highest 30 minutes. But you are a swing trader, you have to focus on daily chart, weekly chart, and also the 4 hours chart, which are the major time frame you need to also consider, and you need to also focus on and give your direction a clear view on that. Boom and Crash Club 01, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to highlight to you the part 2 of this awesome Boom and Crash. First, 5-minute scalping strategy that you can be able to scalp 5-minute chart using the boom and crash trading system. I'm going to give you the part 2 of that strategy, and with the part 2 of that strategy, it will make a lot of sense for you to understand what are your major exit and entry point, so that you can be able to have all what you need to have from this market. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.